told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best.
Hi guys, it's Samaya. Today I'm going to be opening Discovery Big Boom Blast Lab.
So first, the Big Boom Blast Lab comes with 20 different pieces. You have your volcano piece, your confetti bags, you have your canister, your funnel, 3 balloons. You have 3 different dyes. You have baking soda, baking powder, a resealable bag, and gloves. You'll also need tape, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, vinegar, water, effervescent tablet, empty plastic drinking bottle, small bowl, measuring cup, tissue, broom and dustpan, and safety goggles. We don't have safety goggles, so we are going to be extra careful while performing these experiments. The first experiment we will do is the confetti bag. So Samaya, you will need to grab the confetti bag. And you're going to blow it. And you are going to apply pressure and see what happens.
Don't blow it on the table?
Clap your hands together. Hard. Did it all come out? Oh, it did all come out. Okay, stand up. Stand up.
Okay.
See if you can get it on. Oh, wow.
Well, it's really pretty.
So this is what happens when you apply pressure. All right, you ready for experiment 2?
Yes. So pretty.
So next we're going to do experiment number 2, baggy boom.
Yes. Baggy boom.
So for this experiment, we need the sealable bag, and we need the camera, not me, baking soda. So not included that we need would be vinegar, warm water, a tablespoon, a measuring cup, and tissue. So first we're going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar into the bag. So open the bag, and I'm going to hand you this.
Okay.
So that you can add the vinegar.
Got the little baggie open.
And this does smell, so just get ready. So you're going to pour this into the bag.
Okay. Okay, got it in there. There's the vinegar.
Okay, next we're going to have to put about 1/8 of a cup of warm water into the bag. So be careful, be careful. Next we're going to get a piece of tissue.
Okay. This looks like water now.
So we have our tissue. And then we're going to put 1/2 of a tablespoon of baking soda into the center of the tissue.
Baking soda. This little silver bag.
So we have our tablespoon. We're going to put 1/2 of a tablespoon.
Here we go.
There's another bag. So once you cut this open, guys, there is a resealable bag of the baking soda.
How'd that happen? It didn't say it on the instructions though.
So we have our 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to put it in the center of the tissue. So we have that in the center of the tissue. Then we're going to fold the sides of the tissue to the center and fold the ends over to the center to make a packet. We're going to fold the sides to the center, and then we're going to fold the ends to the center to make a packet. So here's our packet. Next it says insert the packet into the bag, but do not drop it into the vinegar. Pinch both sides of the bag with one hand while sealing the other bag. Still pinching the bag, we're going to set the packet on the table, and then we're going to let go of the packet and give the bag a quick shake before stepping back. So you're going to hold this in here. You're going to grab this with one hand, and I'm going to seal it. Don't drop it. Okay, now you're going to hold it like that, and then you're going to set it down, but still pinch the bag. Set it down. Still pinch the bag, and then we're going to let go of the packet, shake it real quick, and run. Alright, you're going to let go of the packet, shake it real quick, and run.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay?
Whoa! Whoa! That is so cool.
I want to tell you to turn it so it won't explode all over your chair.
You want me to turn it?
Is it going to explode? If you can. No, turn it like that. I didn't say pick it up, Jesus. I just said turn it. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if it's gonna explode.
The bag is really big.
What is it gonna do?
You can hear that baking soda popping in there.
Dissolving. I advise you to get up. You know what? It's not sealed all the way. See it coming out? So guys, we have a leak. But it is sealed all the way.
It's leaking.
There's just a hole in the side of the bag.
Yeah.
So that was a fail. So guys, we're trying experiment 2 again. So you're gonna put it in. You're gonna grab it. Okay, it's getting wet, so you're gonna have to hurry up and seal it. Hurry and seal it.
Okay.
Hurry and seal it. Hurry, 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 hurry. Okay. Okay. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Ooh, it
Whoa.
exploded.
Whoa. Whoa, that is so cool.
So that's what it was supposed to do, guys. We had to go with the smaller bag because that's all we had, since the other bag that came with the kit had a hole in it. So that is experiment 2.
Whoa.
And how pressure generates from the baking soda, the vinegar, and the water combining together. Okay, so next we have experiment 3, bubble balloon. So for this experiment we need a balloon, the funnel, baking soda, we need vinegar, an empty plastic bottle, and a measuring cup. So as Samaya has already done, we've inserted the funnel into the balloon opening. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the balloon. So we have our 1 tablespoon, as you can see. This is 1 tablespoon. And we're going to add baking soda. I think that's going to be good enough. And now we're going to put the tablespoon of baking soda into the balloon. Pour that in. Somebody's going to get that on in the balloon.
Okay, it's all in there.
So you're going to remove the funnel and shake the balloon so the baking soda goes all the way down. Okay. No, don't fold it. Just hold it tight. Make sure it's all the way down. And we're going to wipe off the funnel. So we got most of the baking soda out of the funnel. Then we are going to take 3/4 cups of vinegar and we're going to pour it into this bottle, this empty bottle. Okay. Now we are going to slip the balloon over the mouth of the bottle, but we're going to make sure the part of the balloon that has the baking soda is below the bottle. So we're going to make sure that the baking soda does not go into the bottle yet. We're just going to slip the neck of the balloon over the bottle. I'll hold it while you slip that over. Okay, you need me to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
A little bit tough. Okay, now we got it on there.
So, you slip the balloon over the bottle, and now we're going to lift the balloon up in the air and pour the baking soda into the vinegar, and we're going to watch the balloon inflate. So go ahead.
Okay. What? Whoa. What?
Don't want any explosions, so I'm going to hold on to it.
Whoa, this is a cool experience.
Can you hold the balloon up? Hold it up. Okay, let it go. Let's see what it's gonna do. And there it is. We have completed experiment 3, bubble balloon. Unlike the bag, the balloon can stretch as the gas expands. The CO2 will push on the balloon, inflating it as more gas is generated. Next, we'll get ready for experiment 4. Okay, guys, so next we are going to do experiment 4, volcano. For this experiment, we need the plastic volcano, baking soda, the funnel, craft dye, vinegar, tablespoon, and safety goggles, which we don't have safety goggles, so we're going to be extremely careful. So first, you're going to unscrew the top of the volcano. Next, you are going to use the funnel to pour about a 1/4 cup of vinegar into the volcano. Next, you're going to clean and dry the funnel. Okay, next you're going to add a little of the craft dye into the vinegar.
Put the bottom
No.
on.
Is it going in?
Yeah. Yes.
Can't see because of the gloves. Okay, now see it. Next, you're going to use the funnel to pour in 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So we have my baking soda right here, and it is 1/2 of a teaspoon. She's going to pour it into the funnel. Be careful, be careful. You're going to quickly remove the funnel and get back after you pour it in.
Okay. I need to be ready though. What? I thought it was gonna be orange yellow.
Alright, it's yellow.
That is so cool.
So that was experiment 4, volcano. And guys, we are back with experiment 5, bubbling lava. So for this experiment, we need baking soda, craft dye, a small bowl, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, and water. So first, Amaya is going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the bowl. Next, she is going to add a little of the red craft dye. Next, she is going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Once you add the first tablespoon, you'll notice the baking soda start bubbling. So the reaction will last for about a minute. Baking soda is different from baking powder because baking powder contains baking soda and 1 or 2 weak acids. When the water is added, it allows the dry ingredients to chemically react. And this reaction creates carbon dioxide. So that was our bubbling lava. Okay guys, we are back with a smaller container and we are going to reconduct the bubbling lava experiment. We already have our baking soda and not baking soda. We have our baking powder and our craft dye. This time we use orange. So somebody's gonna add 3 tablespoons of water quickly and we're gonna see the reaction. This is our bubbling lava.
That orange is like a pretty neon orange.
It is bubbling.
There's a bubble right there.
And there you go. Okay guys, so next we're doing experiment 6, messy missile. For this experiment we need the plastic canister, the rocket fins, adhesive tape, an effervescent tablet, and water. So we're going to have to do some things with the effervescent tablet and some things to the canister. We're going to have to attach the rocket fins to the canister, tape the effervescent tablet to the lid of the canister, and we will be back with the experiment. So guys, we have done as the instructions has said, and we have attached the effervescent tablet to the top of the lid. We put tape around the top of the canister and we attached the rocket fins. Next we will be outside conducting the experiment. Okay guys, we are back conducting the experiment. I forgot to add that we did add about a 1/2 inch of water to the canister, and Samaya is now going to turn it over and we will see what happens.
Two hours later.
And we have a leak. So at this point I don't think we're going to get a reaction, but well, an explosion. We got a reaction, we didn't get an explosion. So that concludes our experiments that were all included in the Big Boom Blast Lab. And Samaya's going to do one more for us. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Just squeeze it. Don't point it at me.
Sorry.
Here, let me try.
Okay.
Not sure if we caught that on camera, but we may have. Alright guys, that's it for us today. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Baby shark.